morning, another day in the Tenere Travel Trophy. Surroundings are pretty nice. We're in the middle part of France right now. We're going to get going with stage 2 today. So I'm gonna eat something, pack my tent. It's currently drying because last night it rained a bit. So everyone is drying their tents and their clothes, and I'll probably will be going in an hour or so and get ahead of some people so I can make a stop on the route to make some pictures and make some videos. So see you on the route.
SOS-organisatie wordt. Ja, dat doen wij dan. Ja. Ik ben benieuwd.
guys, we arrived at the Tenere camp, wet. I just had enough time to put my tent up before it started to rain pretty heavy again. So everyone was coming in wet, had to put up the tents while it was raining. Not fun, but it's part of the trip. Everyone has the same wet stuff in their tent, so hopefully tomorrow will be dry, so we can dry on the bike, because all the gear is pretty wet, even though we had raincoats on. Some people even dropped their bike in the river today, so they were completely soaked. It was a good day. A lot of off-road riding, also some pretty difficult parts. If you saw the whole video, we couldn't go across the river, so a local guy told us another route. I tried it, but I didn't go off, so that was also a no-go. So we had to take a reroute, but it was a fun day, a long day. So it's the third or the fourth day of riding right now. So the body is getting a little bit tired from sleeping in a tent. But tomorrow is the next stage. Still a lot of fun. As you can see behind me, there's live music now. We just had dinner. I'm just gonna edit this video and then I'm going to bed early tonight. Tomorrow is not a long day. So see you guys tomorrow.